Hey Storylaners, it's the end of the month and here's a quick roundup of our three favorite features. Let's go! First up, deal intelligence. You know your demos are working, but now you can actually prove it. Connect your HubSpot or Salesforce pipeline to Storylane and see exactly which demos influence your deals right inside the app, filtered by deal stage, owner, or intent. It's all right there in Storylane and it syncs back to your CRM automatically. No more guessing. Next, the Chrome extension just got a major upgrade, and I'm not talking about capturing demos. You can now share personalized demos and hubs, view analytics, view and manage links, and jump straight into the presenter mode, all without switching context and leaving your current tab. So sharing, tracking, and presenting are now all in one place. And finally, intro and outro screens. We suggest using them as the first step to capture attention and greet users and as the last step to drive action. Both are make or break moments. Now you can actually open with a polished on-brand screen and complete with the beautiful visuals, patch logos, and CTAs that encourages signups and demo bookings. Clean start, strong finish. All right, that's the month. Deal intelligence, extension update, and intro outro screens. All three are live in your dashboard right now. Walkthrough links are below if you want to dig in. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments or hit us up directly. We read everything. See you next month.